7 shot, 3 fatally at party in Rockfort. Search on for hotel worker accused of raping American visitor. Police, motorists hospitalized following two-vehicle collision. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Detectives assigned to the Major Investigations Division are probing the shooting of 7 people, 3 fatally, on Ruston Road in Rockford, Kingston 2 on Thursday, August 3. The deceased are 22-year-old Warren Benjamin, fisherman of Adistra Road, Kingston 2, 19-year-old Raheem Walters, construction worker of Belmont Road, Kingston, and an unidentified male believed to be in his mid-20s, about 178 centimeters or 5 feet 10 inches, along with an hole tattooed on his throat and a lion on his left forehead. Reports from the Helliston Road Police are that about 11 p.m., the 7 were among patrons at a party when a man stepped outside the bar and opened gunfire at the group. When the shooting subsided, 7 people, including 2 women, were seen with gunshot wounds. The police were summoned and they were taken to hospital. 3 were pronounced dead, while the others were admitted in stable condition. Investigations continue. The Area 2 police have launched a search for a hotel employee accused of raping an American visitor. The incident happened Wednesday in St. Mary, sometime after 6 a.m. The news media was informed that the 24-year-old American, who is a marketing officer of Oakland, California, went to a party with the hotel worker somewhere between St. Anne and St. Mary. A policeman and a female motorist were injured following a two-vehicle crash at the intersection of Beechwood Avenue and Lyndhurst Road in St. Andrew on Thursday. Reports are that the woman was traveling in a Toyota Wish motor car while the police constable was driving a marked service vehicle. More details to come following further investigations.